guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash. And at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. There's makeup looks, unboxings, and spooky treats. Today's look is just a very simple black cat, which is great for beginners or a last minute Halloween costume. So if you're interested to see how I've done this look, what products I've used, etc., then stay tuned and let's get on with it. Okay, so to start off this black cat look, I am going to first apply some eyebrows. It's matte black from the Starry Eyed palette from Evil Eye Cosmetics, and just fill in my brows. I'm also going to take Jeffree Star's Magic Star Concealer in C0, which is the white one, and use it to go around my mouth. You could also use a face paint for this step, or eyeshadow if you've got a white eyeshadow that shows up. And then I'm just going to blend that out a bit. Going to take my P. Louise base and just put that on my eyelids. Then I'm going to take a taupey coloured eyeshadow and place that as my transition shade. Then I'm going to take the Crown Brushes OMG eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this brownie colour here. And I'm just placing that underneath the taupe. Then I'm going to take the Starry Eyed palette again and use this shimmery black. And I'm just filling in the rest of my lid to give myself a smoky eye. Also buffing that in circular motions into that brown. Taking a little bit more of that brown now and just buffing that more into the black. I'm then going to take that brown underneath my eyes. Then I'm taking that matte black again from the Starry Eyed palette and placing that close to my waterline. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend all the edges out a little bit to soften it up. Then I'm taking my Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Blacker, which is obviously black, and just filling in my waterline. And then taking my Look Sharp liquid eyeliner from Evil Eye Cosmetics and just lining my upper lashes with a little bit of a wing and a bit of a cat's eye in the corner. To create the inner corner point, I basically extend the lash line from the top in and then connect it to my lower lash line. And I'm going to take this deeper brown here and just contour my face a little bit. It's actually really deep. Also going to contour my nose a little bit. I'm then going to go back in with that liquid eyeliner and do my nose. So basically I'm just filling in the tip of my nose with a semi-heart sort of shape, I guess you'd call it. To make this easier and quicker, you could always use a black face paint, or you could also use a black pencil eyeliner, or if you have a black liquid lipstick would work just as well. Cats also have a line down the center here. Also add some little dots for where the whiskers will be. Then for whiskers, I'm just going to draw 3 lines on each side. For my lips, I'll be using Baby Bat Beauty's Bewitched or liquid lipstick. and you can get 20% off of all your Baby Bat Beauty orders with the code tashxglam. Link will be down in the description along with all of the details. So be sure to check that out. This is a beautiful sparkly liquid black. And so this is a finished look, and this wraps up today's 31 days of Halloween videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, there are still more videos to go in this series. There are also some previous videos and a separate playlist with Halloween creative makeup looks. So if you're into that sort of stuff, maybe check it out. There's still unboxing videos, makeup, and spooky treats to go. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.